just so that when simple toast. So now we are going to set an on-click listener on our list view. So we'll just come and see now list view. You can say list view. Then we will say dots. Then we can come and say on item click listener. So we'll say on item click listener. So we'll say we'll pick that, set on item click listener, then which is going to be equals to, and we'll say it's going to be equals to adapter view dot as well on item click listener, on item click listener. So sorry, so we'll have our adapter view dot. So we are going to select the second option on item click listener, which contains the parent, view and position ID. So it generates for us that. So once we do that, I hope you've seen, we click on item select listener and we select the second option, which gives us parent, view and position generated. So now when we come here, we come in and say create a val. We say val, then we can say item selected. So we can say item selected is equals to, then we are going to say parent dot, then we say get item at position. So we get the item position, the position that the item is in our list, then we pass the position. So we'll say position, then we pick it as a string so that we print. So we pick it as a string. So the next thing we're going to get is the item ID. So we can say val, we say item ID position, which is going to be equals to, then we say parent. So parent is the option that we have placed here. So we say parent dot, then we get the ID. So we'll say parents dot get item ID at position. So we get item ID at position, then we pass the position. So lastly, we are going to make a simple toast. So we'll say toast, then we say dot make text, and then the context is just the application context. So we just call the application context or this. Then we can say what we want it to display. So this is where we were placing for example, you can say ID is or position is. So we can say selected. So we can say selected, and then the item selected, we print out the item selected. So we say then we can say at position, then we print out the position. So we print out item ID position. So that is a text that you're going to display once we click an item. And then lastly, we're just going to do toast.length text, then .show. So we do toast dot, then we can do a length long so that it stays a bit longer, and then we can say dot show. So yeah, so that's it for getting what is picking what the item is, printing it out, and the position at which the item has been placed. So that's it for selecting an item. I'll see you in our next video. So enjoy. Bye.